Hello children, welcome for today's Crack NEET Biology classes. Today let us continue the important MCQs from the chapter Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants. So first I will read the questions. You also read along with me. Later you try to find out the answer. If you don't know the answer, I will give you the answer. Later the explanation you can get from the description box. If you don't know why the answer is correct, you can refer the description box. Even for NCERT guidance, the full chapter explanation also you will get from the description box. Okay, let us continue with a motivational thought. So never let success get to your head and never let failure get to your heart. Now let us start with the MCQ part. 61st question. What is the direction of micropyle in Anatropus ovule? A. Upward, B. Downward, C. Right, D. Left. The correct answer is B. Downward. Now the next question. In grasses, what happens in microspore mother cell for the formation of mature pollen grains? A. 1 meiotic and 2 mitotic divisions. B. 1 meiotic and 1 mitotic divisions. C. 1 meiotic division. D. 1 mitotic division. Now let us see the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Now let us go to the next question. Anemophily type of pollination is found in A. Salvia, B. Bottle brush, C. Vallisneria, D. Coconut. Can you find the correct answer? It is coconut. D. Coconut. Now the next question. 8 nucleated embryo sac is A. Only monosporic, B. Only bisporic, C. Only tetrasporic, D. Any of these. Can you find the correct answer? It is D. Any of these. Now the next one. 65th. If there are 4 cells in anthers, what will be the number of pollen grains? A. 16, B. 12, C. 8, D. 4. Now the correct answer is A. 16. Now next question. The anaesthesis is a phenomenon which refers to A. Development of anthers, B. Opening of flower bed, C. Stigma receptors, D. All of these. The correct answer is B. Opening of flower bed. Next question. In an angiosperm, how many microspore mother cells are required to produce 100 pollen grains? A. 75, B. 100, C. 25, D. 50. The correct answer is C. 25. Now the next question. When pollen grain of a flower is transferred to the stigma of another flower of the same plant, the pollination is referred to as A. Autogamy, B. Gametophyte, C. Xenogamy, D. Allogamy. The correct answer is B. Gametophyte. Now next question. Embryo sac represents A. Megaspore, B. Megametophyte, C. Megasporophyll, D. Megagamete. The correct answer is B. Megametophyte. Now the next question. Number of meiotic divisions required to produce 200/400 seeds of pea would be A. Go through the numbers, B, C and D. The correct answer, are you able to find out? The correct answer is D, 250/500. If you don't know why it is correct, you can refer the description box, children. The answer why it is correct, it has been given. Explanation has been given there for you. Next question. So ovule is straight with funiculus, embryo sac, chalaza and micropyle lying on one straight line. It is A. Orthotropous, B. Anatropous, C. Campylotropous, D. Amphitropous. The correct answer is A. Orthotropous. Let us go to the next question. Meiosis is best observed in dividing cells of apical meristem, B. Cells of lateral meristem, C. microspores and antherwall. C. Microsporocytes. The correct answer is C. Microsporocytes. Now next question. Point out the odd one. A. Nucellus. B. Embryo sac. C. Micropyle. D. Pollen grain. The correct answer is D. Pollen grain. Now next question. Pollination occurs in A. Bryophytes and angiosperms. B. Bryophytes and pteridophytes and angiosperms. C. Angiosperms and gymnosperms. D. Angiosperms and fungi. The correct answer is C. Angiosperms and gymnosperms. Now the next question. Entry of pollen tube through micropyle is A. Chalazogamy, B. Mesogamy, C. Porogamy, D. Pseudogamy. The correct answer is C. Porogamy. Next question. Female gametophyte of angiosperms is represented by A. Ovule, B. Megaspore mother cell, C. Embryo sac, D. Nucellus. The correct answer is C. Embryo sac. Now the next question. Male gametophyte of angiosperms or monocots is A. Microsporangium, B. Nucellus, C. Microspore, D. Stamen. The correct answer is C. Microspore. Now the next question. Which is correct? A. Gametes are invariably haploid. B. Spores are invariably haploid. C. Gametes are generally haploid. D. Both spores and gametes are invariably haploid. The correct answer is A. Gametes are invariably haploid. Now the next question. Generative cell was destroyed by laser, but a normal pollen tube was still formed because A. Vegetative cell is not damaged. B. Contents of killed generative cell stimulate pollen growth. C. Laser beam stimulates growth of pollen tube. D. Region of emergence of pollen tube is not harmed. Can you find the correct answer? A is the correct answer. Vegetative cell is not damaged. Now next question. Total number of meiotic divisions required for forming 100 zygotes to 100 grains of wheat is A. 100, B. 75, C. 125, D. 50. The correct answer is C. 125. If you don't know why it is correct, you can refer the description box, children. For all questions, explanation it has been given. Now the next one. Male gametophyte of angiosperms is shed at A. 4-celled pollen grain, B. 3-celled pollen grain, C. Microspore mother cell, D. Anther. The correct answer is D. 3-celled pollen grain. Hope you all tried to solve the MCQs. How much time you have taken and how many you were able to solve correctly, give in the description box, children. For explanation of the correct answers, why it is correct, and for the NCERT guidance of the entire chapter, the link is given in the description box. So share the video lesson with your friends so that they also will be benefited. Till then you practice all the MCQs. We'll meet in the next class, children. Thank you.